Yo, what's up guys? And in this tutorial we are going to be creating a game in Python which is based on the command prompt, and we are going to be exploring the further possibilities of the Python programming language as a beginner. So I'm going to be first putting a comment and making guess my fate, which is going to be the game, and I'm going to be importing a built-in module which is called time. Now, if you don't know whatever I'm doing, because I'm going to be doing pretty new stuff here and you're going to eventually get the hang of it, just write, don't copy and paste my code, just write your own program, experiment, and you will get to know. So I'm going to be creating a function called main. You can name it anything. Actually, what you need to do is a function is this. I'm going to just give you a simple demo. So print I am the main function. Now how do you call up now if you run this program, it's not gonna give us anything. It's not even gonna print us this because all of this is inside the function main. So what are we gonna be doing is we are going to be calling the function so that this code gets ran. So I'm gonna say if name is equivalent to main. This is the standard way of writing of calling the function. You will get to know all about this once you reach beginner level. So I am going to be opening another CMD, and I am going to be going to the directory where this is, and I'm going to be running python guess.py, and there we go, it prints the function. So this is how it works. You can basically make as many functions as you like, and you can put parameters here. Now I'm going to tell you what are parameters. So let's first create the program, and let's make input which asks the user for choose a number between 1 to 5. Now yep, there we go, and I want to store this into the user choose, and there we go. Now how do we check if the user typed in a number or he typed in something that is not a number? Okay, now how do we do that check? So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be opening a new command prompt so we get the interpreter so we can test on Python. So normally when we let's make data and let's store whatever I'm typing. Okay, now here we go. Now if I type in AAA, and now let's see the the type. This is a built-in function to check the type of data. It's always gonna be a string no matter what I type. Even if I type a number, it's going to be a string. Let's do a test. Let's name this data1 and let's type in this time number 5. Now let's see the type of data1, and it's a string still. We want to come to know if he typed in a number, which is, we call it integers in Python. So what are we going to be doing is we are going to change data1 into an integer, which is possible, you see. But if we try to change data into an integer, it's not possible because it's not an integer. So this is a way we can find out if the user has entered a right number or wrong number. So now what we're going to be doing is we are going to be making a try, and we are going to be saying make the user choose. Okay, so user choose. Now we are going to remake the value for user choose, and we are going to make user choose the integer of user choose. So actually it's going to be taking user choose and getting the integer value, and if he has typed in a number is going to be working successfully. But if he hasn't typed in a number, it's going to give an error. So if it gives an error, that is accept, you are going to be printing you didn't type in a number freecad, and then I'm going to be calling back the function from the first. Okay, so let's save this program and see how it works. Okay, not this, this. Now let's run this, and let's choose number 6. Okay, the program exits because it's right. Well, let's say I'm gonna write massive code instead of that. You didn't type a number, freecad, and it's gonna again ask me for a number. And if I type this time pot, there we go. If I type in bottle, there we go. It's not gonna accept till I give it a number, any number. But there's a problem. He has to choose the number of 5, right? From 1 to 5, not 7. So we're gonna make a if condition. Now let's say if it came true. Okay, let's say this completed successfully. We want to do a few more tests. So what we're going to be doing is we want to be telling Python if user choose is greater than 5. Okay, if it's greater than 5, or user choose is less than 1, okay, is going to print what did I tell you? What did I tell you? Only 1 to 5. And then what it's going to be doing is going to be again running the same thing. Whenever I write main, I'm running this whole thing from the beginning. Okay, I'm running this whole thing from the beginning, and the whole thing from the beginning, and the whole thing from the beginning, and the whole thing from the beginning. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this, and I'm going to be opening this and running the program. Now it's evident that I cannot use something other than a number, or I cannot choose a number which is greater than 5. What did I tell you? Only 1 to 5. What did I tell you? Only 1 to 5. Let's choose 0. What did I tell you? Only 1 to 5. There we go. The program is working perfectly. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be wrapping up this tutorial, and I'm going to be continuing this program in a part 2 of this, I think, because I don't want to load your head too much, and I want to make like an easy process, because if you see a lot, your brain is most likely going to procrastinate, and you're not going to complete this tutorial. I want you guys to complete this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and share, because I'm going to be uploading videos like this more frequently. See you in the next tutorial, which is going to be a continuation of this. Goodbye.